This video is for educational purposes only. All testing is done in a controlled home lab environment. Do not use these tools on any systems you do not own or have permission to test. You ever wonder how hackers hack into Wi-Fi networks? Well, today I'm going to show you. Today we're going to be using the Aircrack-ng suite that professionals use to hack into Wi-Fi networks. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Before we do anything, we need the correct Wi-Fi adapter. I got my Wi-Fi adapter from Alpha. If you go to their website, under the Kali Linux compatible devices, you'll see a whole bunch of devices that are ready made for Kali Linux. They're not sponsoring this video, but Alpha does have a good variety of tools if you're in the market for any. First, we need to make sure our Wi-Fi adapter is connected to our VM. We're gonna go to devices and we're going to select our Wi-Fi adapter here. Now that we have our adapter plugged in to our VM, we're gonna do the command ls-usb and we'll show that our Wi-Fi adapter is connected to our machine. Next, we're going to run the command iwconfig, and as you can see here, our Wi-Fi adapter is in managed mode. What we need to do is we need to switch it to monitor mode. That way we're able to discover any Wi-Fi networks that we're looking for. So to switch our Wi-Fi adapter to monitor mode, we're going to do sudo airmon-ng start WLAN 0, and that WLAN 0 is the interface that our Wi-Fi adapter is connected to. As you can see right here, it says that there are two processes that could interfere with what we're doing. I didn't notice anything when I was doing testing, but just make sure you go ahead and do that check kill command just in case. But as you can see here, our Wi-Fi adapter is in monitor mode, so we're ready to go ahead and move on with the next step. Let's just double check to make sure our adapter's in monitor mode. We're gonna do that same command, iwconfig, and as you can see here, our adapter's in monitor mode, so we're good to go. So in order for us to attack our Wi-Fi network, we have to find it first. So we're gonna do the following command, sudo aerodump-ng wlan 0mon. And what this command lets us do, it lets us see what networks are in our range. So we look around and we see our target network, 40K. Now let's go ahead and attack our Wi-Fi network. We're going to use the following command, sudo aerodump-ng -c9, because the network that we're attacking is on channel 9. Then we're going to do our bssid, and then we're going to do -w hack1, and this is the output where our handshakes that we need to crack our Wi-Fi password is going to go. And finally, our network interface, which is our WLAN 0mon. As of right now, nothing's connected to the network, but once I go ahead and connect my phone, as you can see here, we're picking up that a new client has appeared on our network. And also above, as you can see, we also collected our handshake. So let's say we want to kick a device off the network and let it jump back on the network. That way we collect that handshake. Let me show you how that's done. So we're going to do the following command, airplay-ng -deauth0, and the 0 means we're just going to send a infinite amount of deauth packets to our client. The -a is our Wi-Fi network, and the -c is the client that we're going to be kicking off, which is my cell phone. And then right here we have our WLAN 0mon. So we're gonna go ahead and press enter, and as you can see here, all the deauth packets are going through. Let's go ahead and switch over and see if we collected a handshake or not. And as you can see here, it looks like we were able to collect a handshake. Now that we have the handshake, let me go ahead and show you what to do so that we can crack it. Before we go ahead and crack it, I want to show you what the packet looks like when we're viewing it in Wireshark. So we're here in Wireshark, and to confirm if we collected that packet, we're going to type in EAPOL. So this is the handshake that we captured in Wireshark form. Take a look at it, browse around. There are plenty of YouTube videos that give you a better description on what Wireshark is. It's a great networking tool, and I definitely recommend when you have the time, take a moment and check out those YouTube videos. So back on the terminal, now that we have our packet, let's go ahead and see if we can crack that password. So we're going to do the following command, Aircrack-ng. Then we have the packet that we captured. Then for the word list, we're just using a simple word list that I made up for the demonstration today. So when we go ahead and run this, as you can see here, we have cracked our password. So we're in. So there are many ways to crack Wi-Fi passwords. I'm sure down the line I'll show you another method, but this method right here is just one of many. So like always, thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you on the next one.